How to speed up your process using smart delays. Many customers report that their automated processes are very slow, taking as long as, or even longer than, manual execution. During our QA reviews, we frequently identify a common root cause: the use of wait steps. Certify constantly checks if the browser completes loading the page using a busy check feature. This serves as an intelligent, dynamic wait. The wait steps not only slow down automation but also significantly reduce overall efficiency. By eliminating these wait steps, you can transform sluggish workflows into high-performing ones. Adopting these best practices ensures that your processes run faster, operate more intelligently, and deliver more reliable results. Let's consider a scenario where loading an object or page might take anywhere from 5 to 30 seconds. When automating this scenario, if you rely on a static 30-second wait step with busy checkoff, the automation still sits idle for the entire duration, even if the element appears in just 5 seconds, causing unnecessary delays. This is not a best practice, as it blocks Certify from proceeding to the next steps despite the application being ready. To address this, Worksoft Certify offers a dynamic wait strategy, such as context timeout and application presets, visible exist actions and loops in the process steps, that help us build faster, smarter, and more reliable automation. Context timeout is a dynamic wait strategy that defines how long the automation process should attempt to locate an object or page before failing the step if the target is not found. The process resumes execution immediately once the target is found. Visible verifies that the object is displayed on the screen before the process proceeds. Exist enables the process to continue as soon as the required object, window, or page becomes available, making the automation faster and more responsive. Loops are used for more complex situations, such as waiting for a job to be completed. Application presets provide a centralized mechanism for managing page and object context timeouts. This is Certify Web Sample Login application. After providing username and password, we have to click on the login button. To load the next page, it might take up to 30 seconds. To handle this, we have created a process. Here is the process. We have created steps for entering username and password and clicking the login button. Here, we added a wait step of 30 seconds because the application might take a certain time to load the next page. Even if the page loads faster, the process will wait for 30 seconds. This makes the execution slower than necessary. We will check this process by executing. The same functionality can be tested at a faster pace at the same time, also counting the application response. Here's how we can improve it. Instead of using a static wait step, we have added steps with Certify built-in dynamic wait actions. These adapt to the application's behavior during execution. Here, we have configured a page context timeout of 30 seconds. This allows the process to wait for the page to appear, but only as long as necessary. If the page loads in just a few seconds, execution proceeds immediately, without waiting for the full timeout duration. This approach ensures that the automation remains efficient, responsive, and reliable, regardless of how fast or slow the application responds. Now we will see how to pick the best smart delay. Use visible exist actions with appropriate context timeouts when interacting with UI elements. For example, windows, pages, and objects. Explicit loop using counter method for background job processing. Use application presets to standardize wait behavior across your automation. Conclusion. Avoiding hard-coded delays in Worksoft Certify is not just a best practice, it's essential for building efficient, reliable, and scalable automation. By leveraging dynamic wait strategies like context timeout, visible exist, and loops, you ensure that your automation adapts to real-time application behavior, reducing unnecessary pauses and improving execution speed. These intelligent wait methods make your scripts more responsive, minimize maintenance, and enhance overall test stability. Thank you. We hope you have found this short video to be helpful and informative. Please visit us online in LinkedIn and YouTube.